Sumit if you can unmute yourself and start your presentation.
Yeah, greetings to all of you. My name is Shrivastava. Basically, we work in statutory audit domain and deal with a large set of data. So let us start with presentation. So this is my introductions and my use case presentation is verified ops. My screen is visible to you.
Not yet.
Yeah. Now it is visible to you.
Yes, now it is.
Yeah. So my use case presentation name is verified ops. So, what is the challenge we are facing right now? That in most of the time, we are working on a document with multiple team members, and lot of changes are going on simultaneously. So, we are not sure about the final changes, or we have some gut feeling that something is changed, but we are not able to trace it exactly what has been changed because of the time constraint or the size of the document. Let us say there is a big document of 100 pages. So we don't have sometimes we don't have a time to uh, see exactly what are the changes has been made by some other team member or not. Or or we have sent some terms and condition to our client, and sometimes we think that client has changed some final document, but we are not able to identify that changes, but we have some gut feeling that something is changed. To address that problem, this uh, tool is developed, so we are able to identify the exact what changes has been done from original file to the presented file. So we are able to trace that changes. Okay. Um, it what it does do, it seemingly compare two versions of document, PDF, Word, and text, and identify the changes made line by line, paragraph by paragraph. It also presents the data in tabular format in Excel, in so that you are able to locate the exactly what where the changes have been made. Okay. It has a three version. First is offline version or desktop version, in which maximum security and privacy is there, no connection is required, complete data privacy and protection. Second is online version, in which zero software installation is needed, and office most of the it is online, so anyone can access from anywhere. And third is advanced AI version, which is advanced in work in Excel and identify the exact change in the Excel and also interpreted the changes and its impact. We will discuss the current online secure version. So for demonstration in hackathon purpose. Okay. It is a initially when I created it, it was based on uh, the prompt was created from ChatGPT, and later on it was created on Replit platform. Later on, I came to know the cost benefit of Replit, and we have moved this from Replit to Claude. Okay, so my current tool looks like this. Uh, it is useful for professionals, legal advocates, GST consultant, and everything. So let us try with this. Okay. So first I will select the original file, which I think I have is is final from my side. Second file I will receive file which I have received from client, which I think there's some changes. Okay. Now when we click it compares the whole documents line by line and gives you complete report. You can download in Word and Excel also. So somehow it is not working. It is output will be something will look like this. It will identify and list out all the changes have been made by comparing first file and second file. It is also work with the Word format also. This is from my side. Any questions?
Rahul bhai,
Just a small question. Have you heard of a software called PDF24?
Yes, yes. It is
So
a
the
tool
same
used. Yeah, yeah.
that also has an option to compare PDF. So what is the differences that you get there and here?
There are many differences. First of all, PDF24 is not a secure tool or something like that. It is
It,
open
it is
source
an offline
software.
tool, sir. It's an offline tool. You can have it on your system. You can install it. I'm not talking about online tool.
Okay. So in that case, I'm not aware that. But that does not compare Word file also, no? Or Excel file also.
Okay.
So it compare
Cheers, bhai.
Word file and Excel file also.
okay. Sumit bhai, how many files you have tried to compare using this tool till now?
Actually 10 to 12, some very big files, some very small files, and some mid-sized files.
Okay.
Uh,
And
it was
all of those files you have given as a sample while creating this tool to plot?
few were sample, few were actual files. Initially, it was on Replit, so it was working perfectly and everything was fine. But in Claude, maybe it was working perfectly before demonstration, but somehow it is not working right now.
As
Yeah.
much as I have, as much as I have experience working on Claude, when you generate such a tool from Claude, it will work good on the files which were given as a sample, and it will stop working on the files which are new to it. So have you tried new files on this tool?
Not on Claude, but on Replit, yes. Claude was
On this tool, the tool which you demonstrated today, have you tried new files on this tool?
not on Claude, not on this
No,
tool.
you
No.
haven't tried new files on this tool, right?
New file on Claude generated tool, but all the file has been tested on Rapid generated tool, which was working completely fine and perfectly. Output was also completely good and accurate.
But that you didn't demonstrate it today, right?
Yes, yes, yes. The cost
That you
benefit, yeah, cost benefit was not matching in case of Rapid.
okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you. So